Ever since mankind introduced the first roller coaster, we've been destined to push the boundaries beyond what we ever thought could be possible. Over the past 30 years, the evolution of roller coasters has been accelerating at an exponential rate. In this video, I will be making a few predictions as to what I think is the future of roller coasters.
Goodbye, Patrick.
Goodbye, Spongebob! Roller coasters exceeding 500 feet. This might sound like something you would expect to see in No Limits, Planet Coaster, or Roller Coaster Tycoon, but eventually I think there is a strong possibility we will see a roller coaster smash the 500-foot height, or even go higher. In fact, I just did a video recently discussing this very topic, which you can check out in the link above or in the video description. The idea isn't as crazy as it sounds. We've seen projects in the past get pitched that feature staggering heights, mostly using an existing skyscraper to drop adrenaline junkies off the side of the building. I think the technology is there to make this project happen, but the funds to back it might be a little challenging at the moment.
We're gonna be rich!
We broke even!
More unique spinning coasters. A free spinning roller coaster isn't a new concept. In fact, it's been around for quite some time. But over the past decade, coaster engineers are starting to push the envelope by coming up with more crazy ways to experience a free spinning motion while on a coaster. The 4D Free Spin by S&S has been a great compact roller coaster that delivers some unique thrills. It may not be my style of coaster, but they seem to be relatively popular with an easy price tag. Mock Rides recently built Time Traveler, a controlled spin roller coaster. Yes, it's not a free spinning roller coaster, but features similar concepts by slowly rotating its passengers while traversing an intense layout, including inversions, vertical drops, and launches. Back at the free spinning concept, S&S recently introduced their Axis coaster. Instead of flipping riders upside down through somersault motion, riders freely swing left to right, allowing to flip all the way upside down, creating for some very unusual moments. This type of roller coaster breaks the mold on the limitations that your roller coaster layout could be. The 200-mile-per-hour roller coaster. Before Top Thrill Dragster opened in 2003, the idea of traveling 120 miles an hour on a roller coaster seemed like a fantasy. Formula Rossa pushed the boundaries even further by launching you to 149 miles an hour. It's only a matter of time before someone is bold enough to send us even faster. Once again, S&S is at the tip of the sword with their pneumatic launching coasters. These type of thrill machines can accelerate you to extreme speeds in just fractions of a second. Small, affordable roller coasters that deliver a punch. Rocky Mountain Construction turned heads when they introduced their single-rail Raptor coaster. This roller coaster can maneuver sharp, snappy transitions, allowing for smaller, compact layouts. The idea of this roller coaster is for smaller parks, allowing them to build intense roller coasters with minimal space and budget. I think it's relatively possible that we will see yet another coaster type that will be more affordable for bigger family fun centers to construct, allowing them to dip their toes into the amusement park business. Extremely smooth roller coasters. Not only is RMC known for their revolutionary concepts, they're also known for their butter-smooth rides. In a way, Rocky Mountain Construction has spoiled us to the point of any minor bumps or imperfection when it comes to smoothness is highly criticized. As technology improves, the accuracy of designing and building a roller coaster will improve, which will launch us into a new era of ultra-smooth roller coasters. Even today, there are roller coasters that might be considered smooth, but with an unbalanced ride load, can deliver some unwanted rattle or headbanging. These imperfections will become the thing of the past, with every new attraction feeling like you are gliding on air. No worries for those who love a little rattle. I'm sure the wooden roller coasters and their semi-rough nature won't go away. In fact, that brings us to our next category. Wooden roller coasters are here to stay. I was afraid at one point that wooden coasters would cease to be built or simply be converted into a modern hybrid coaster. Fortunately, I think this was ill-guided because wooden coasters are still being built every year. They are affordable attractions that deliver something different from your modern steel coaster. Because manufacturers have had so long to work with this type, the newer versions only get better and better, delivering smooth rides that still have the classic wooden coaster feel. High capacity and efficient roller coasters. The greatest enemy to any coaster enthusiast? Long lines. Since everyone wants to ride the latest and greatest attraction, you gotta stand in line with everybody else.
Forever! Forever! Forever!
One eternity later.
Well, what if in the near future we start seeing roller coasters that can hold larger amounts of passengers, operate with more efficiency by allowing even more trains to run the course, and better loading and unloading techniques? In today's world, everyone has a cell phone. Since these create for a dangerous hazard while on a coaster, this adds yet another step that needs to be tackled before boarding your favorite coaster. Yukon Striker at Canada's Wonderland has been praised for their efficient, loose article containers. Other roller coasters are starting to include a zipper pouch that is located inside the train so the rider doesn't have to part with their valuables. If the process of getting guests on and off an attraction can be greatly sped up, that only means we, the coaster enthusiasts, get to ride the coaster many more times. Well, thank you for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think the future of coasters will look like. As always, please subscribe so you don't miss out on more great content coming your way by XscreamThrills.